Hello, viewers. Welcome back to English with Umme. Today, I'm sharing one of the most powerful real-life success stories. It's about a man who started with almost nothing, just $14, and built one of the world's most famous pizza brands, Domino's Pizza. This story is not just about business. It's about dreams, struggles, failures, and never giving up. So, let's begin the inspiring journey of Tom Monaghan, the pizza boy who changed the world. Tom Monaghan was born in 1937 in Ann Arbor, Michigan. His father died when Tom was just 4 years old. Life was very difficult. He and his brother were placed in a Catholic orphanage while their mother worked several jobs. Tom grew up under strict rules. He didn't have toys, comfort, or even proper shoes sometimes. But he had one thing: determination. He dreamed of becoming rich and successful, even though everything in his life said otherwise. As a child, he did small jobs to earn money, paper delivery, cleaning work, anything he could find. He had a strong work ethic from the very beginning. Tom got a chance to attend college because he wanted to become an architect, but he faced one obstacle after another. He didn't have money, and he didn't have guidance. In an effort to pay his fees, he joined the U.S. Marine Corps by mistake. He thought he was signing up for the Army Reserve. He ended up serving for 3 years. After returning from the Marines, he tried again to complete his education. But things weren't going well. His life was full of struggles, low-paying jobs, and constant failures. In 1960, something unexpected happened. A friend told him about a small pizza shop called Domino's Pizza in Ypsilanti, Michigan. The total cost was $900. Tom didn't have the money. He had just $14 in his pocket. But he took a bold step. He borrowed the rest of the money and went into partnership with his brother James Monaghan. Soon after, James gave up and traded his share of the business to Tom for an old Volkswagen Beetle. Tom was now the sole owner of the business. The early days were extremely tough. Tom slept on the floor of the pizza shop. He worked 16 to 18 hours a day, making and delivering pizzas himself. Often, he had no money for ingredients and had to buy on credit. He was the cook, delivery boy, cleaner, and manager all in one. There were nights when he ate leftover pizza to survive. He once said, "I was flat broke, living on pizza, and nearly bankrupt many times." Tom realized something. I can't do everything. I have to do one thing and do it better than anyone else. Tom realized something. I can't do everything. I have to do one thing and do it better than anyone else. People loved the idea, especially college students who didn't want to cook or go out. In 1965, Tom wanted to expand, but the original owner of Domino's wouldn't let him use the name for new stores. So Tom renamed the business Domino's Pizza. The logo had 3 dots, representing the first 3 stores. Tom thought he'd add more dots with each store, but the business grew too fast to keep count. Despite the vision, Domino's nearly collapsed multiple times. Tom opened new stores too quickly and ran out of money. His equipment broke down, his vehicles were old, and customers started complaining. At one point, he had over $1 million in debt. He was even sleeping in a church basement for free because he had lost his apartment. But Tom kept going. He sold assets, begged for loans, and restructured the business. His persistence was unshakable. In the 1970s, Domino's introduced the 30 minutes or it's free delivery policy. This changed everything. Sales exploded. College students loved the fast, affordable pizza. Domino's expanded rapidly. By 1983, Domino's had 1,000 stores. Tom began to open franchises, which allowed others to run stores under the Domino's name while he focused on growth. Tom never stopped innovating. He created the insulated pizza delivery bag to keep pizza hot. Domino's was one of the first pizza chains to use computers for order tracking. In the early 2000s, Domino's became one of the first to offer online pizza ordering. Domino's expanded globally to Canada, Australia, the UK, India, and more than 90 countries. In 1998, after nearly 40 years of running Domino's, Tom decided to retire. He sold 93% of the company to Bain Capital, founded by Mitt Romney, for $1 billion. He used much of his fortune for charity and Catholic education. Today, Domino's is worth over $15 billion, operating in 90-plus countries, running more than 20,000 stores worldwide, one of the largest pizza chains on earth. If Tom Monaghan can build Domino's from almost nothing, what's stopping us from chasing our dreams? Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, success comes to those who never stop trying.